Hey, welcome everyone. Seen these dreamy Ghibli style pics all over your feed lately? Yeah, those soft anime vibes, magical lighting, total aesthetic goals. Want to turn your own photos into this kind of art? Stick till the end. I've got some bonus styles that go crazy.
Infosphere.
Take any photo. Maybe a selfie, a cozy street shot, or even your cat. Now head to ChatGPT, upload your image, and then type this prompt. And there you have it. Want to level it up? Use this prompt. Yep, AI really snapped with this one. Okay, now, here's the surprise I mentioned earlier. If you want something bolder than Ghibli, try the EsliTo Baki style. Just ask ChatGPT this. Forget soft. This one's straight out of a fight scene. And yeah, you can do the exact same thing with Grok AI too. In fact, it's even faster. Use the same prompt, same idea, drop it in, and boom, done. So whether you're Team ChatGPT or Team Grok, you're covered. By the way, you can do all of this right from your phone. ChatGPT, Grok, all mobile, all free. And if something's acting weird, just update the app. Trust me, it fixes 90% of the issues. And that's a wrap for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. We've got plenty more AI insights, web development tips, and cutting-edge tech tricks coming your way. So don't forget to like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep pushing the digital limits together. Catch you in the next one.